What is up, people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mayur Pawar and you're watching The Bearded Geek. Well guys, today we're going to talk about the new Quora Spaces earning review. So I have already made a video when what exactly is Quora Spaces earnings. You can actually go ahead and start earning money through Quora Spaces. Today we're going to talk about the review, what exactly has happened, what has changed on the feature, what has changed because of the feature on Quora, especially because I have been like really active on Quora since a month or two now, and whenever you're active on a certain platform, you will be able to realize or recognize the difference which was happening earlier and what has changed in the present scenario. So to start with, basically I am an admin. I'm a contributor of nearly some 21 spaces altogether, and I'm also trying to build my own space. In case if you're watching this video on my Quora space, the link is in the description below. You can go ahead and follow that particular space and ask me any questions if you want. I also run a series on my channel named as Quora Answers, when I go ahead and answer the questions asked to me on Quora, or the people who follow me on Quora, or the people who follow my space on Quora. So make sure you go ahead and do that. Well, coming to the review of Quora space earnings, basically what has changed is the quality of the users, or the quality of the content that you were getting in your own space has been changed. Now Quora Spaces is nothing, as we all know, Quora Spaces are nothing different than Facebook groups. It's basically like a community coming together, which is interested in a simple and a same topic or similar interest they have, and they join this particular space and share the knowledge, whatever they have, or whatever interesting facts they feel like. They can go ahead and share the links or post or articles or ask questions regarding that. But since Quora has launched this particular feature named as Quora Space Earnings, the game has changed a lot, because earlier people used to keep their groups reserved, the spaces reserved. We used to have like a limited number of contributors, but since the Quora Space earning, it depends on the readership of your space. So basically how it works is, the more people read, the more people spend time on your space, the more earnings you're gonna get. But what is happening ultimately, what has happened ultimately is that even I was able to see the difference. Currently I'm a contributor of some 21 spaces, but I am getting random requests of spaces which I am not even interested in, the topics that I don't know anything about, and some Ayurveda or something which I am not aware about. And my basically focus is digital marketing and marketing tools or productivity tools, but I am getting requests from random spaces. So people are just trying to build the the number of links or the posts which are shared in their particular spaces, which I find it is really reducing the quality of the content, or the quality of the people who are going to spend time on the Quora space. And currently the owner is the only one who will be able to earn, and depending on the owner's wish, they can distribute the payment, whatever they earn from Quora spaces. But that's a different thing altogether. I made this particular video because I wanted to share my own experience with Quora space earnings, and I honestly feel it is a loss of content or quality, because anyone and everyone is asking to contribute, or anyone and everyone has started creating their own spaces, filling it up with some different mixture of content altogether, and that is something which is really reducing the quality, and you will be able to lose the users. Like in few spaces that I'm active as a contributor or a moderator, I'm able to see that day by day the users are leaving the spaces. So I feel that I understand it's a good opportunity for earning. Even Quora, after launching this feature, they have asked a review or a feedback from the Quora users who are active on their platform. They sent an email recently to all the contributors, the moderators, or people who have an account on Quora. In case if you want to go ahead and share your own feedback as well, and if you have a Quora account, you can check out the link in the video description. I've shared that link for submitting your feedback. You can give your own feedback. But I just wanted to share this update that this particular feature is instead of increasing the quality, it is decreasing the quality day by day, and people are just losing the followers and the crowd which they have, which is a decent crowd, which was a decent crowd. They're just losing it day by day. I'm a part of a space which has a followership of 700,000 people, and it has reduced actually all the way to 500,000 people. So 200,000 people have been lost. So with this update, I think it is not something which Quora should have done, or maybe there was a different way altogether, that Quora would have launched this particular feature and rolled it out, depending on other do's and don'ts for the owners or the admins or the contributors or the moderators of the group. But this is my personal opinion. I just thought this update or this review would be helpful. If you like this video, guys, make sure you go ahead and hit the like button. Let me know what are your views in the comment section. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I keep on making such kind of videos on a daily basis. That's about it from my end for today's video. I'll be back with another hack for you guys. Till then, keep watching my channel and keep geeking.